Skip counting and doubling. You've seen how helpful skip counting can be to find a number quickly. In this video, we'll look at a special case of skip counting that involves doubling the value of a number. Let's first look at what it means to double the value of a number. Here's a number line from 0 to 20. Starting at 0, let's skip count by 2, which gets us to 2. Doubling the value of 2 gets us 4, which is the same as another skip count by 2. Doubling the value of 4 gets us 8, which is the same as a skip count by 4. Are you starting to see a pattern? Doubling the value of 8 gets us 16, which is the same as a skip count by 8. So here's the pattern. Whatever number you're on the number line, skip count by that number once to double it. Here's another number line from 0 to 100, and each tick mark represents 10. Starting at 10, let's see the number pattern by doubling from there. So we're at 10, so we skip count by 10 to get its double, or 20. Now we skip count by 20 to get its double, or 40. Next, we skip count by 40 to get to its double, or 80. And this pattern would go on indefinitely. You can also generate a doubling number pattern on a calculator. Here's how to generate a doubling pattern starting at 3. Input 3 on the calculator, then press the plus sign and 3, then press the equal sign. You now have 6. Now all you have to do is press the plus sign followed by the equals button to generate the next double, like this. Keep pressing the plus sign and the equals sign to generate the other doubles. So now you have a way of generating a number pattern based on doubling numbers.